In this video, I'll show you how you can make a Discord account on your mobile phone. So if you haven't done already, go to your Google Play Store or the Google App Store and just type in Discord and go ahead and download it. It's free and it will download in minutes. Once you've got Discord downloaded and you've opened it for the first time, you'll see this page here where we can go ahead and click on the blue register button, and then Discord will give you two options. Now you can create a Discord account with your phone or your email, so it's up to you which one you choose. I personally recommend email because if you lose your phone number, you're going to lose access to your account. So I'm going to use email in this video. So go ahead and enter in your email, and then you need to give Discord a username. You can change this at a later date, but I'd just recommend that you think of one now. You can obviously think of one, and then I'm going to go ahead and enter in a password. Okay, so after we've done that, we can now click on next. And now you need to tell Discord what your date of birth is. Bear in mind that some features you won't be able to have access to if you're under 18. So just go ahead and enter in your date of birth here. I'm going to change mine and then click done. And then just agree to the terms of service and then click on create an account. Okay, so it seems like my email is already registered, so 1 second and I'll be back. Okay, so after entering in a new email, we can now go and verify. And we just need to verify that we're not a robot here. Now we've done that, it should log us into our Discord account. And here we can get started, so go ahead and click on get started. I'm going to uncheck allow contacts to add me. I don't want any of my contacts being able to see me on Discord. So I'm going to then click get started. If you don't want to do this and don't want to have to enter in a phone number, just go back and then skip. And here you are inside of Discord without having to enter in your phone number. What you can do now, you can add friends, or you can go ahead and join a server by clicking on the plus icon in the top left. Then you can create your own server or join one. I'm not going to show you how you can do this in this video. If you want a video which walks you through all of Discord, watch this video here and it will show you the basics of Discord.